Good morning children, welcome to English class. In last class we have completed 2B companion exercise. Right children, hope you all completed homework also. Today let's continue our topic children with page 24 in studio 2.8 children. Let's see, choose two objects in your class, describe them to your partner. Use words denoting shape, size or color in your description. Okay, what we have to do children, we have to take two things from the classroom and we have to describe it. How we have to describe it? We have to tell the color of it, we have to tell the size of it, and we have to tell the shape of the things. Then we can describe it. For example, this is a pen. This is a pen. It is blue. Which color it is? Blue. It is long and thin. Blue, long, thin. By using these words, we are describing the thing pen. Like that, we also have to select two things from the classroom and we have to describe it. Write the names of the objects you choose in the space below. Write two adjectives to describe each. That means the object which we have chosen, we have to write it here, and the adjectives we have to write for each object too. First one, see children, I am writing duster. D-U-S-T-R, duster. Duster will be small size and it will be in color white. Yes or no? Yes children. And next another one, board. B-O-A-R-D. Board, and the board will be big. Yes or no? B-I-G, big. And this color of the board is black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Write like this children. And coming to next page, page 25. See children, look at the picture. What is there in the picture? There is a Christmas tree, Santa Claus, there are gifts and so many trees are there, down snow, and he is standing on the hills. Yes or no? Now see, pose these clues to a partner. Okay, what we have to do children, by looking at the picture, we have to complete the sentence. They have given the options also. By looking at the picture, we have to choose the correct option or correct adjective and we have to fill these blanks. See children, he is dash. The Santa Claus is tall or short children? Yes, short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Okay, this is in cursive writing. No, I am writing normal writing children. You can write anyone from them. And next, he wears a dash cap. Which color cap he is wearing children? Which color it is, in red or blue? Yes, red. R-E-D, red cap, and he has a dash bag. See children, the bag is big one or small one? Yes, big. He has a big bag. Yes. Now, words such as tall, red and small describe the features of person, animal or objects. These are adjectives. Okay, the words we will use, no children, tall, red, small, for what? To describe something. Yes or no? And these words can be called as what? Adjectives. Say along with me children, spelling adjectives. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V-E-S. Adjectives. Describing words or adjectives help identify nouns by information about their qualities. Here you identified Santa by describing him and his belongings. Yes or no? These describing words, what it will do? It will give information about some nouns and it will tell about the quality of the nouns. Now see, read the examples given below. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. This side they have given the examples and this side they have given the blanks. By looking at the example, we have to complete the blank, children. See first one, an orange trouser. An orange trouser. And this side, a dash trouser. Which color, children, the trouser is in? Yes, black color. Write black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. And next, a pair of small shoes. A pair of small shoes. And here, a pair of dash shoes. We can write pink shoes or we can write big shoes. Okay, a pair of big. B-I-G, big. A pair of big shoes. Okay, like that, children. And next I am giving you homework, children. See, fill in the blanks with correct adjectives. Companion 2C. Open companion 2C, children. In which page it is? Yes, in page 14. Page 14 to see, children. Okay, use the picture clues given below to fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Okay, what we have to do, children? We have to see the pictures and we have to see the options and we have to fill this blanks. Okay, you just read these sentences, children, and see the pictures and choose the correct adjective from the options. Okay, this one is homework for you, children. Complete it and send it to me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.